You only watch can't help her. It can't help her. Guy no can't help her. Fear problem bigger than that. It's a volcano steam she want. You know why you don't wear panty? You know why you can't wear panty? Because when that Koro they come from up there and lat down in the bag, it stain it and the crutches get stiff. That can't wash out. Not even bleach can take out that stain there. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not trouble in you. I'm saying one Jake's on the app and I like how Jake's improve. And in a 4 month, in build a house. That's a lifetime span for him kids them. You should have moved out to your mother one little bedroom and gone somewhere. You should have moved out to your mother room and build a house. That's what you should have done, or buy a house. Simple. Simple, girl. Yeah. You want everybody feels they want spitting her. You know see what you want to do? All America, yeah, want spitting at people face, then just lock you up. Yeah, them lock you up. You could buy you could even buy, if you can't manage a 4-bedroom container house, you could buy the 3-bedroom one. Big up yourself, Dream 50. You could buy even the 3-bedroom one. 1 room for Shantae, 1 room for Barbara, and 1 room for you. And you have a little living room and a 2-bathroom. Reasonable price. Or, 2 things to it. You could have made house on top of your mother house. If I have a 3-bedroom, I could have put on top of can you say your granny did left the house there? I am your granny house. Yeah, allegedly me hear same thief 1.9 million. Him not you think nothing thief yet? Wait. Everybody will ride for your girl. You and them always fall out for some reason or the other, I don't know. Remember, you can't carry my name on a parchment paper or put on a Westmoreland, you know. Because he's a God person. And me pray hard. Yeah? So guess what? You can't carry my name on a parchment paper, girl. Yeah? So all the enable them. Me don't want no followers from you, Rosealee. No agali. I enable you have. Me want, you know who me want to follow me? Donors. Donors who can donate to my foundation. Yeah, for help poor people in Jamaica. You know what people girl me get visa, boy, yeah? You know what people make get visa, boy, yeah? We never know all them pitney get visa with them. We never know so them a dream for come in America. Do that and beat me, no girl. Come do that and beat me and you enable them. Come do that and beat me. A 10 visa me get. For my foundation and bring much people come in and far. Now what happened to you? How do you dopey bat? How do you agali ratali? How do you? Yeah, ball, you no ball yet. You no ball yet. You no ball yet. You have to come down now. People sick and tired of you now. And your nastiness on the app. Your nasty dirtiness, we sick and tired of you. Right there, so. We sick and tired of you. We sick and tired of you. We tired of your nastiness. We tired of your batty thing where your company app come talk about. We tired of it. We sick and tired of your batty business, boy. Yeah. Thank you. Antrax, pick up yourself, you know. We tired of you, man. Come on, man, people. We have boy pitney, man. And we have girl pitney. We don't want some data up on the media, behave so. We don't want to hear a woman attack them something about no boy pitney, man. No, come on, no, man. She said, I'm a bad miner. She said, I'm a bad miner. She said she ate them like pies, so she can't stomach them. She couldn't wait for top chat to them. Hey, if me ever bust it up, you see, man. If me ever bust it up, but the girl a pine way because the girl bad mind. You wicked. Look how the girl left her place. A hurricane come and flood out the girl place. Oh, them have a run down man of England. A man no want her. Eh? Look at you. Nobody no want you. Because the man where you cry and die over. The man where you cry and want to analyze yourself over. Him no want you. I doubt him have any intercourse with you. Because him talk, so him smell a vagina, you know, girl. Him talk it. Yeah, you will hear it in a due time. Don't worry yourself. You will soon hear it. Him talk. Remember when the girl tell me, Akeem say him smell your vagina. That's why when him come there and turn you and push down and breast and him something there, him leave you wet up and go away. Yeah, cause then time there, when the juice start come down, with the nasty mucky smell. You're muckers, girl. You're muckers. 45, what a nice life. And you have what, 29 or 32 years, what a bad years.
Mom.
What do you need? Daddy get you the pizza already?
Yeah.
You get it already?
Not yet.
You order it? Okay, go on back downstairs. I soon come to you, okay? Go back and close the door.
Right there.
Yeah, okay. Go back and close the door. I'm talking. You close the door. When you come talk about me, if you go take care of my daughter. You bright in, girl. Every morning, my daughter get up and go to school. Yeah, and every evening, if an me go for her father go for her, I will wash belly that. I will life that. Rosealee, Agali, Rosealee, I'm going to tell you again. My daughter said for life. Our college fee is there. Our care money is in the bank. Remember that. You hear that? Yeah. And then she still have change same way. House money and everything she have. What do you? And cook my daughter food and make sure my daughter clean and alright. You ever see me I go away and see me carry my pitney girl? Everywhere me I go my daughter ride, me have a handbag that. I'm a Louis V that pa my shoulder. Remember that. I'm a Louis V that pa my shoulder. Agali, Rosealee. Come man. If you come down now man, you're too nasty on the app. You're a disgrace to the whole world, woman community. The whole entire world is a disgrace. And anybody don't want to tell the truth, me I go come out and tell you because I'm not afraid of you. And me say me body in a real life. And me do, you say you go, you say wait till when you meet me in the street. So when you meet me in the street now, Agali, Rosealee, make sure you go take care of your health first and make sure you go fix your foot. Because though when me and you meet up and we ready for collide, you go say you drop because your foot no good. Your foot sick. Like when the little girl was shorter than me, beat you up down a real, you say because your foot sick. And that's why you drop. Me no want you say that this time. I want you make sure healthy and physically fit and ready. Yeah. We want ready. Up because you think say me I don't want to easy walk over. Actually, you see people come on the happy and come go on up the last time and them just get away so easy. Oh. Come. Because you say a year world Agali and we have to live into it. And one girl not live in it. I mean know some the rest of woman them not live in it. Uncle somebody go live in a year world and you nasty workless enable them. You nasty workless crasmite. Long time big woman enable them and them alone live in a year world. Cause you the Lulu. You the Lulu girl. You the Lulu. You live in a rat mess for much years. Look how you live, girl. Look how you live. Look how you live. You can't stay there because you can't come back. And no matter you send, I'm not playing a game. Look how you live with the Lulu self. Right now, how much you got with fear now, Agali, Rosealee? 2.7? Oh God. Oh God. And then them over pan life, but them a beg for her pitney. She did them a beg for Shanti and Barbara. Shanti and Barbara don't want to Jakes to take care and pit them. You will come out and try paint a picture on Jakes because when Jakes just start the house, they say it nah going away. And Jakes' house reach far and now you can't stop it again. So now you come out and tell the people them say. You come out now and tell the people them say. Jakes not mind the pitney them. And not Jakes, me say carry the pit them at school. Nobody not believe you, girl. One Jakes pan the app and never two. Agali, Rosealee, if you come down now, you too nasty up on the app. Baby, they pan the app. Pitney, they pan the app. You have to stop it. I mean, they come in a scream record with this batty thing. Or you push up 3 finger. I tell lie pan the man. Stop switch what you do, you and Akeem. Stop switch it round with the 3 someone I do. Stop it. Don't switch it pan Jakes. Because what you do in a real life now. And you tell lie pan Jakes. People want to see why Jakes have to go use the money and buy front. Because I couldn't take the smell. Remember you say when come on stage come talk, you know. And say Jakes get a good wash, you know, when you go over there, you know. I'm going to teach you how to wash your front. Yeah, one of these days I'm going to teach you how to wash your front. And I'm going to show you what is a volcano steam. Because that you need. You hear? Every time when I come for me, my husband and my pitney. Come for me alone, man. Deal with me alone. Deal with me alone. Don't involve my husband and my child. Please, not do it. Me not like it. Yeah. Because me go come back phone and me come real hard. Because the things that me can't cuss. Because through me I run a foundation. Yeah, so through me I run a foundation, if you make the one walk for me. If you make them just walk for me and through me I run a foundation, me have to come out, come talk. When no come trouble me, me have to say nothing. Me I big up Jakes. And me I tell Jakes to protect him youth. Because no make no man come say you have 2 daughters and him there with your baby mother and then uncle thing him a come say him have special love. For the boy pitney, him not have none for the girl pitney. You should have special love for the 2 of them youth. I just the truth. Somebody have to come out, come talk, you know. Yeah, somebody have to come out, come talk. I don't feel someone can bully people and people afraid of the uno. Nobody not afraid of uno. Leave me alone. Daima, watch out, because she says she's coming for you. Yeah. She said anytime. Yeah. And look here now. And maybe it's going to start at England. Because that she said. Yeah. Remember? She said that's why she diss you with you. Yeah, when you go up on the stage show, she diss you. Yeah, she said that's why she diss you because she stomach sick and she tired of you. She want to get rid of you, that's why she diss you because she knows you go vex. Because she said you and her go at it 1,000,000 times. Yeah. So, let me tell you something, girl. I don't wrong kind of touch. Only thing you can do is your backers can and you say that you're top girl and this. You can dig up false allegation from people. You can dig up false allegation from people, girl. Can be a false allegation you pick up from people. But Daima, we live and learn, mama. I saw it go. It happened to the best of we, Daima. We live and learn. Because sometimes we have some people in our circle and we think that them with we and them don't with we. And the real true loyal people them are with we try to diss them all the time. I saw it go, mama. Yeah, but a life. IV Lioness. Moderator, IV Lioness in our throat for me now, please. Turn our throat, Ton Candy. Yeah, that's how they stab her throat, sir. She's supposed to get analyzed same time on the live. Yes, stab her throat. Yeah. If you go, man, if you come off of the app now with the nastiness, man. You see, me can't break the app, but you can't break it. Because if you break it, you're dead for hungry. Look from where you come from. Look from where you come from. You from front of Captain Bakery. You know the shiny man slippers where they always the bottom I eat out and the piece of black spaghetti strap tear up dress where you ever have on. Look from where you come from. You want company up and come go like you want come distant, respectable people. Some people when me see all like this in your life, I spit off of people and them something there in the scream and them still come and I follow you up and I give you like say, yeah, you hold them down for truth man down at Westmoreland. The other man when me here say you go and you and him the pan picture together. You mockers you. You look dirty. I don't know how to hey girl, don't make me style you know. You come about body mouth sunshine. You brighty. Who for mouth body up like fear one. Who for mouth body up like fear one. Cause remember in the throat back right now in a girl. Cause me know say that there, dick there, now go in a entrance that I got exit. And when it come out of exit and it come in there so, remember no? A microscope I forgot find a worm there in your throat back. Microscope I forgot find that. Cause remember say your throat back now no pH balance, you know. Agali, ratali, your throat back now no pH balance. As long as me I tell you say girl, come you could chop 2 banana leaf. When you come to Jamaica, you skin out pan one. Cause me want you cut your own, you know. Me not cut your own for you know. Me will cut my own. You cut your own. Okay, so when you cut your own, you can't say when flies start taking, you know. When sour fly and magic and rat start crawl up on the banana leaf, you can't say I may put sweetie on it, no? So more you cut your one and me cut my one and me stay right over here so and you stay over there so. And make we lay down and see how much fly, who fly go draw away and who rat go draw away and who for V Maggie Jaja go just a crawl out and who for be black water go run out. Girl, come with a white panty no man. Come with a white panty no man and make we deal with business round here. What you talk about? You think me afraid of nobody boy, yeah? Me don't say a man a Batman. Batman! And that a burn you. And me don't say him mother give me cousin jacket. And what you gonna do about it? Yeah, when me ready, me make you know. Me sick and tired of them. She said, you remember, you know, me leave, me come off alive, you know. Me come off alive. And she said she has sent her people them for me and she has style me and she has this and she has that. Me don't want your clout, because you don't have clout. Any place you have. Me want donors who can donate to me Jamaican people them and help them. If you come in a foreign, come do them heart surgery, them brain tumor, them eye surgery. So where the doctor can save no. How do you? You don't know if me is a future person going to help you. Because your baby father say you're sick. And the V alone sick, you have a next underline were really bad. And you don't know if the doctor in Jamaica can help you. You don't know. And maybe me you have to come rock pan, people will come rock pan me to help you. You see the stone where the builder refuse always be the head cornerstone. Alright, unforgettable queen, me will look. Yeah. Leave me alone, man. Me not trouble you. Me just talk like everybody else have a platform. And they're talking about 1GX on the app. In a 4 month, a man can set a foundation for him pitney them. And I look for y'all go upstairs for rent out all upstairs. You have to do that and beat the man, star. You can't do that and beat the man. That's the truth. 1GX on the app. And never 2GX. Keep on come for me, your people them. And it now go end good. It now go end good. Me tell you already, you know, the only time you go take a plane, you know, come in America, yeah, you know. And when the feds them a come for you. Yeah. And when the feds them a come for you. You notice you no gift again. You notice? Because the card cleaning thing bust out. Eh? The people them social security check when them get to have them look up money on them card. You know, ride the people them back. Uncle Sam no play with that, you know, girl. Him no play with that. Uncle Sam watch and bill you. And when you bill up and relax and cozy, then him ready for you. Clock that T and that a code. That is code. Remember good no? Remember good. The card cleaning. You know see you no gift again. Notice. You no gifter. Don't play with Uncle Sam. Worse, my daughter is an American citizen, so yeah, my daughter ban. Me American citizen by his papers. But my daughter American citizen by birth. Watch your mouth, girl. That's all me I tell you. Watch your mouth. Oh, the only time you're gonna visit a plane, so you can take time, smile up yourself. Cause it's gonna be a rough ride. Over upon TikTok here with the card cleaning. You see your supporter come up and I call Ivan name, I call Jada name, I call this name. You are the head of it. Remember say people never let you night because they say you chat too much. And since you come in it, the whole TikTok know about the card cleaning. Talk good no man. Hey, don't make me call the woman name where you say she did nobody card cleaning long time and she never want to tell you. Don't make me talk. Don't let me talk. And oh, the woman love you. The woman help you in everything and you bring down the woman behind her back. It's a pity she couldn't know and understand. But her heart too soft like mine's. But she have to tough up herself. And know say, people not loyal and people not real. And you're one of the fakest. Agali Rataleep on the app. You're one of the fakest one. You're not really fake bad. You done the woman. You done the woman. And said the woman never want to tell about it. Because she alone want to make money and live lavish life. And fly in a private jet and show much money. Remember good dog, girl? Remember that? Remember? No? The ride going to be a rough ride for you. That's all me have to tell you. I'm not going to further. So when you want to say people them are going to dig up, tell them for when them dig up, them to dig up with fuck. Yeah, them to dig up with fuck. Yeah, dig up with fuck when them a come dig up. Yeah. Remember good. You chat the woman, I'll know you chat the woman. I'll know you chat the woman. You have to stop it. You have to stop it. You say you hate everybody. Why you hate everybody? Cause you bad mind. Remember how you come in my box, you know, girl, a lion, them where you see me that get, you know. And you run, come over. And one night me see you do it. And I saw me and my people them start and say, all the while when she see I get them gift here, she run come over. Yeah. Leave me alone, cause if you no trouble me nah go done. Cause once you trouble me pitney, and enter you call me pitney name, and you enable them, me go come back for you again. And when me I come back, each time me I come back, me I come wickeder. Cause remember, you know, me can, hey, if you want it, you know, girl, Agali, Rosealee, me can carry it to hell, you know, and got some dark place with you, you know, girl. Make people tell you who know about me, you know. Me we got some dark place with you. Yeah? Me no, you think that you may run a foundation, me I go low, you make a style me pitney, girl. Me I go make a style me pitney. Oh, you're so bright. You ever hear me I trouble people pitney, and me defend people pitney. And that me do. Me no style people pitney. Kids is off limit. They are. But kids is not off limit for you. Cause you do everything for clout. You style people pitney for clout. You're going like you're a bad girl. You're not a bad girl. Cause one little 4 inch, one little 4 feet girl throw you down. Down a Rio. One little 4 feet girl. How you think you be? Eh? I mean 5 feet. And one little 4 feet girl throw you down a Rio. Bad girl in real life, Agali, Rosealee. Ask people who know about me. Me not ram for fight. Me not ram for fight. Yeah, cause me have an auntie who show me how to fight. Yeah. And if me fight and lose, she beat me. If me fight and lose, she beat me. And so you have to go back. And you have to win. Oh, tell her that. How you do, girl? How you do? Diamond, the girl a murder you. All me I tell you. And me have to save some more ammunition. And I can't let out everything in on people. Because them are going to come for me and me going to come back for them. Because each time they come for me pitney, me have to save up ammunition. Yeah, me have to save up ammunition. Yeah. I'm going to show you if you do a volcano steam, girl. Because guy in the colleges can't help you. Close the door, mama. Don't come up here. Go on down to daddy.
Mama, I just want to ask you something.
Huh? What you want to ask me?
Daddy put his head on the floor.
He put his hat on the floor?
Yes.
Tell him to take it up before I come down there, okay?
Okay.
All right. And he ordered the pizza for you?
Yeah.
And he ordered the big buckler Sprite for you?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Close the door, mommy. Close the door.
Okay.
All right.
You.
Love you too, baby. Yeah.
You love me more.
You see, my daughter, and say, yeah, my daughter says she love me more. Rosealee, watch love. Come show them love, my daughter. Come here, Paris. Papa, come here. Paris. Jelly. Come show them how you love mommy. Come show them. Come show some girl love. Come show them love. And kiss mommy. And tell them how you love your mommy. Tell them how you love mommy. Alright. Alright. Watch love, girl. Watch love. You hear me I tell nobody? You hear me I tell my daughter if you go SYM? Your mother? No. Me show you love, girl. How are you? Me take care of my daughter. Like, wow. Me show you love. You don't know love. You can't be a parent. See it here? Me can't cock up right here, so. Tell me where you say hang down. Nothing no hang down. Me can't pat you. No smell now come up. No smell. Down to a child. Can know that when you get up in the morning, you must get a shower. Shower yourself and brush your teeth and wash your face. What time you get for bed, Agali, Rosealee? What time you get for bed? Cause as far as me concerned, in a bed, you know. No man never tell me if you go bath. Akeem tell us if you go bed. You know that for a fact. And Jakes come and tell us, say, enough time if you tell us for bed. And you come on stage and say, Jakes, give a good shower. You know your Jakes, you can't wash not even your VV good. Oh, you have to wash a VV. You back one that African black soap. And the African wash the cloth where you can stretch and scrub your back. And you just see how clear you come if you buy that black African soap. The net, the African net thing where you rub across your back. You will get a good wash. You can't bend for be there and for wash your VV good in a girl. You cannot bend. So it have to smell. It have to smell. With that two big boss in the between you. A boss in me call that, you know. Or sis. Yeah, that me call that. Whether between your leg. And you come talk about say I'm me. Screenshot. How come me do that? How come me screenshot that people send that to me? People in my box and I show them something there. I say, what is that? Remove that. People no can go look on the video on my page and say, if I that me say, when the person post it. Girl, don't come for me, man. Me sick and tired, I don't know when I want to come for me pick my husband. Deal with me, man, because me up on the media, yeah. You can talk about one place, but sit down and me say to you. You forgot, say, I'm me to do this and be. Remember saying a girl? Remember saying no? When me come out here saying and say house tour, I'm here the house tour boss on the app in a girl. And I'm here the homework teacher on the app in a girl, you forgot? I'm here the boss for them two things there. And my two content them that. And when me come with the do this and beat me and the homework, everybody come with it after. What you talk about? Thank you. How much room me can go live? All know me see you move. And your bed. And I said you look like you sleep. Because I'm not saying bed. Because you look like say Akeem take back the bed. Because the man tell him to take back the bed. I'm to take it back. I'm to listen to anything what that man they say. My mate is a woman if I have a mate. But your mate is a man. Me sure of that. You know, so when they say one dog, your mate come out with fiend dog and start walk with fiend dog. You know, see the true what we are going for your girl. You know, see say the Lulu. Read between the line, no? Agali, Rosealee. How do you? The bed broke. Look at the little swinging chair. Broke already. You have to buy. Sometimes things cheap, you know. And a good quality when it's cheap. Look on the swing chair with me have done there. When me put my own house, turnstile the first one cost me. I say, oh, me have swing chair in a house. Me live in a Massachusetts. And it's very cold here in New England. Because up here, they call Connecticut and Massachusetts New England. And I think they call New York New England. It's very cold here. So if I put that out the door and snow come on it, it'll go mash up if I put it on the back porch. Yeah, it'll go mash up. So, it's good for me exercise. That's why you see me work out and me I look so nice. Because guess what? When me and my husband want to get some good exercise, in a that we go exercise with the backers. Yeah. And the two of we let her back it up. And it now pop down. It now pop down, girl. And the one little one when me see you by, you can't even sit down in it. Akeem can't even get backers in that. Hey, girl. You never see when me jumping on my California king? Eh? Extra king. And it can't broke. The mattress synchronize. What do you? Girl, hey. Me not care what no one say about my glasses, but it nice no blood seed. I'm work. Hey, come talk to me. Me underneath clean, so me a open up. And a boy can't say them ever smell me yet. No boy never said me figure beard yet. But me know say Agali 2 months in a figure beard. Come talk to me, Agali. Me underneath clean, so me can't open up. And a boy never said me go beard yet. Me underneath clean, and a boy never tell me say my vagina stink yet. Come talk to me, Agali. How do you? Yeah, you enablers them. Me I save some ammunition. Can't done all right, people. Send no request and come. And come angry no bangle. Anything you want to do, no come. And who wants send a request and come up and come cuss me? You can also do it too, and I don't care. And Tom, me know you're there a long time. Tom,